Škoda Rapid was a compact sedan, also available in a hatchback version, produced between 2012 and 2019 in the European market. In 2019, it was replaced by the Škoda Scala in Central and Western Europe. In other markets, such as India and Russia, production of the Rapid continued for a longer period. Characterized by its spacious interior and good value, it is primarily focused on families. The Rapid was the first model to feature Škoda's new design language in 2012. Despite being a compact car on the outside, it featured a surprisingly spacious interior. Throughout its production lifespan, the Rapid was offered with a variety of petrol, such as the 1.0 TSI and 1.4 TSI, and diesel, such as the 1.6 TDI, engines. Newer versions, starting with the 2017 facelift, included modern technologies such as SmartLink Plus.